How to enable or disable FaceTime on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, we tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Screen Time. After that, we then scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then tap on Allow Apps and Features. Next, go down and then tap on the FaceTime toggle button to disable or enable FaceTime. So if I disable FaceTime, I will not be able to find it from Spotlight, and it will also not be available on the home screen as well as in App Library. So in here, if you try to find FaceTime, you'll not be able to. Okay, so if we now go back into Settings and turn back FaceTime, you can see this time FaceTime will be available. Now give it a few moments for FaceTime to come back to your home screen and in App Library. So here it is, FaceTime, and in App Library you should be able to find it now. And there it is. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.